Hello, welcome back to another video. And as you guys know, last time we did a lot of stuff, and if you want to see that video, check it up. It should be in the top right corner right now. Alright, now let's see. Today we're gonna work on something that you actually kind of need. Like, I'm serious. You actually need to know this. They're called comments. Now you may be asking, okay, what is a comment? Well, a comment is some code that it doesn't execute, but it can help with like showing what the code does. Like, there's 3 types of comments. The first is called a single line comment, which you place by doing // and then there's a comment, and that's a single line comment. It only goes for one single line. Like, let's say, hello, this is a single line comment. Okay, then there's another type of comment called a multiple line comment, which goes on for multiple lines. So what you do is you do the first one, you go / and then shift 8, and then you can do like multiple, then go here, hit enter, and it'll have a multiple line comment, and then it says, and then you can type in line comment, and this is going to be a middle, top, bottom. That's pretty cool. Now there's another one called, wait, hold it. Can you identify which one? Okay, I'm gonna make a single line and a multi-line comment, and you have to identify which one is a multi-line and which one is a single line. Be right back. Alright, welcome back. And can you guess which one is a single line? If you said bears and cats, you are correct. Now, which one is the multi-line? If you said this one, bears and cats, but bears is on top and is in the middle and cats is on the bottom, you would be correct. Good job. And yeah. So yeah. Yeah, actually there's only 2 types of comments. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.